In one word, describe your experience applying to colleges.
I was nervous. It's stressful.
Time-consuming.
We get it. Applying to college can be overwhelming. So here's an insider's guide to help you with the process.
We encourage all of our students to take a campus tour. It's the best way to find out if you know that FAU is the right fit for you. We recommend that students on the tour ask about our faculty to student ratio. We definitely pride ourselves on the fact that we have a 1 to 24 faculty to student ratio. We recommend that students attend an FAU event. But while they are here, they should explore the city of Boca Raton and the surrounding community. After your tour, students are welcome to come and meet with an admissions counselor. They can either set up an appointment or just come on in and speak with one of us. Once you are ready to apply, you definitely want to make sure that you meet all of the requirements for the application process. It consists of 3 steps. You guys can either do the common application or you can do our internal application on our website. The next 2 steps will consist of your SSAR, which is your self-reported student academic record, where you will input your transcript information. And the 3rd step is to send us your test scores. So SAT or ACT, you can do one or the other. You can do both if you like. We do SuperScore, and we do not require the essay portion of either one of those exams. Don't forget to complete your FAFSA. This is your free application for federal student aid, and it is free, so you want to go ahead and submit that. FAFSA opens October 1st. Once you are an admitted student, first thing you're going to do is submit your tuition deposit. Once you go through that, you'll go through a series of steps: getting registered for housing, completing your ORS, which is an online advising pre-registration for your classes, and don't forget to prove your Florida residency. Admissions counselors like myself are here for you all year round. Visit our admissions page at fau.edu to get connected.